Alright, last couple questions on the review sheet. First, it says expand as much as possible. I would recommend expanding first, or expanding in two steps. First, take care of all the multiplication and division. So I do log base 5 of 2 plus log base 5 of x to the 5th minus log base 5 of the square root of x. Because I had 2 times x to the 5th divided by the square root of x. So the multiplication, 2 times x, became plus, the division became minus. Keep in mind, square root of x is the same thing as x to the 1/2, because the last step I would recommend is taking any exponents you have and rewriting them as coefficients. So I bring this 5 down front, and I bring this 1/2 down front. And that would be my final answer. Number 21, we're going the opposite direction. We're trying to condense it. So I'm going to do my steps in the opposite order. I'm going to take my coefficients and rewrite them as exponents. So this 4 gets moved up top, and this 1/3 gets moved up top as well. You can leave it as t to the 1/3, or if you prefer the cube root of t, that's completely up to you. Now I would change my addition to multiplication and my subtraction to division. And that would be my final answer for that. Now for 22 and 23, we want to look at our graph. Now I have here graphed y equals 3 to the negative x. You look, I've got it graphed 3 to the negative x. And you can tell by its shape it has to be the one that's labeled A, because that negative x has flipped it or reflected it horizontally. And then for the last one, 23, let's look at what the other one would be. So I'm going to turn this one off and turn this one on and go to that graph now. That x plus 2 should have shifted it left 2. By adding 2 to the x, we're shifting it left 2. So that would clearly be B. Good luck, everybody.